Okay, now covering the total life of Balban and his death. Balban's health gradually declined after the shock of his son's death. He was old and was at quite advanced stage of his life. Realizing his death, he summoned his youngest son Bughra Khan, the governor of Bengal, to Delhi. But Bughra, apprehending some danger, did not turn up. Balban then nominated Qae Khusro, the son of his eldest son, Prince Muhammad, as his heir. He died in 1287 at the age of 80. Now, if we estimate the Balban's rule, we can see it can be said undoubtedly that Balban was the greatest sultans of Delhi. He guided the destinies of the Sultanate for a long period of 40 years, 20 as a prime minister and 20 as a sultan. By ascending the throne at a time of confusion and crisis, he did everything right and appropriate for the restoration of the crown, its prestige and good governance of the state. By following the divine right theory of kingship, he maintained a great distance from the common people. He set up a magnificent court and displayed his power and authority with kingly dignity. He did everything to strike fear in the heart of the people and officers. Thus, he could restore the status and prestige of the Sultan. Covering some more aspects, he was successful in destroying the power and influence of the Corps of 40, Umarai Chahalgan, which was the greatest obstruction in the path of his royal despotism. He even did not mind to inflict severe exemplary punishments to them. He kept the nobles under control and strengthened the central government. He was also a very good administrator and he had a strong sense of justice, peace, protection and consolidation of the empire. These were his prime objectives. According to Dr. Ishwari Prasad, a great warrior, ruler and statesman who saved the infant Muslim state from extinction at a critical time, Balban will ever remain a great figure in medieval Indian history. It was Balban who saved the country from frequent raids of the Mongols. It was he who consolidated the empire by bringing Rajput states to the fold of Sultanate and rendering a good administration. Dr. Ishwari Prasad has remarked further that the successful career of conquest of great Alauddin was possible because of the consolidation work of Ghiyasuddin Balban. Now we have done this part, Ghiyasuddin Balban. It is an important topic, girls, and you have to just go through these lectures and make your own notes out of them. और आप इसको पढ़ें और इसको आपने याद करना है. ये इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है और एक जो है इसमें से क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं, तो आपने इसको अच्छी तरह प्रिपेयर करना है.